Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a festive glam look for Raksha Bandhan. I'm probably the last person filming this because Raksha Bandhan is literally tomorrow, which is 3rd of August, and I'm uploading this on 2nd of August. But anywho, let's start with the video. For the first step, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal to basically just correct all the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation or dark spots that I have on my face. And to blend it all out, I'm using the ProArt Beauty Sponge. I absolutely love it. It's so soft and makes blending so easy. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Nude Beige and mixed it with a little bit of Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Nude to get a nice glow from within kind of look. And then using the same sponge to blend the foundation. Also, do not forget to blend the foundation on your ears and your neck. It makes a lot of difference, guys. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium on all the places that I want to highlight, which is basically the center of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bows, around the lips, on my chin, and I also like to highlight right below where I would contour because this helps me give a little more definition to my chubby face. I also put a little bit of highlighting concealer right above the arch of my eyebrows. This will give it a more lifted effect. And then blend because blending is the key to achieve a flawless look. Now to set the foundation and the concealer in place, we will be using a translucent powder to set it all in place. To set my under eyes, I use a beauty sponge, and to set my face, I use a nice fluffy powder brush. Moving on to the next step, which is the brows. I'm first going to start off by brushing them out with a clean spoolie. Then I'm going to shape and fill in the sparse areas in my brows using the L'Oreal Brow Artist pomade. I'm not sure of the shade, so I'll put it in the description box below. Moving on to the blush, I'm using this very light pink shade because my eyes are going to be heavy, so I want the rest of my face to be very subtle and toned out. I've applied a little bit of blush on my nose as well, and then I'm just using my beauty blender to give the blush a very seamless effect. So today I'm not going to be contouring, I'm going to be bronzing my face, and for bronzing I'm using a warm toned brown shade from the NYX contour palette. Bronzing gives a very nice warm effect to the face. I feel like it gives life to the makeup look that you're doing. I'm just bronzing on all the places that I would usually contour, which is the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. For the next step, which is highlighter, I'm using a golden shade from the Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette. It's a gorgeous shade and it goes very well with Indian skin tones. I'm highlighting the usual areas, which is the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and my cupid bow. Before moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to be setting my face with a makeup fixer, and I'm using the PAC Micro Finish makeup fixer. This is one of the best makeup fixers available in Indian market and is also really affordable. So let's get started with the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using a very light brown shade, which is almost like only one shade darker to my skin tone, and applying it above my crease. For the next color, I'm using a darker brown shade, 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone, and applying it in my crease with a fluffy yet defined brush. Then I went back with the same light brown shade and just blended the edges for a seamless look. Then on a flat shaded brush, I'm picking up a golden shimmery shade and applying it on the inner 1/3 of my eyes. I later applied the same shimmery shadow with my fingers because the color payout was much better that way. And I also applied a nice bright popping inner corner highlight. And now for the star of the look, I'm using a Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Regal Green. It's a beautiful green color. I'm going with this kajal because it's going to match my outfit. You'll see that in a while. I'm applying this pencil on my lower lash line and my waterline only till the outer 3/4. And then I'm going to smudge it out with a pencil brush. I'm also applying the same kajal on my upper lash line and again blend it out with the same pencil brush. And then using a black kajal, this one's from Revlon, I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline. Now to take this eye look to another level, I'm using this Focallure Beam Glitter in the shade Platinum, I guess, and applying it on the same areas where I applied the golden shimmer. Last but not the least, for the lipstick, I first went with Meher by MAC, which is my all-time favorite lipstick. However, I felt like it didn't go quite well with the look, so I added another darker shade on top of Meher, which is Chili Pepper Red by Eyelina. And the combination of these two lipsticks looked much better and complemented the whole look. I changed my outfit, I popped on some lashes, and I'm going to be wearing these earrings from Rayu, and this is the final look. I really liked how the whole look turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.